Emma and Nick, thank you both for being two people in love, ready to take this next step. Not only are you both standing here, more in love than ever before, but you are also able, here in this moment, to really affirm the life that you both hope to continue to build together as lifelong best babes.
Years, a half dozen into the dark. But you're a firecracker in a stock of kindling. Would flint despair for sparks, faint hearts, and false alarms.
From this day forward,
I will do my best
to be the partner you deserve,
to love and care for you.
and be your biggest supporter. May we live our lives laughing and with hope and compassion, so that our love leaves a mark on this world for the better. I love you, I see you, and I choose you every day.
Find the flame towards the forest, for the sake of being honest. Arc mud in the long run, track back to the source. The first fault wasn't yours, of course. Recharge, faint hearts, and false alarms. False alarms. No harm done.
It's my honor and most sincere pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. And when you're ready, you can kiss each other.
Heart fought, heart flawed. No harm. Breath caught, the equinox. No harm. Bloodshot eyes, growing tired of watching you bleed from soft stars, false alarms. We still play our part, faint hearts.
Find a partner that is ready to build with you. It is not about finding perfection in another person. It is about realizing when you come across an undeniable connection that nourishes your being and matches the support you are looking for. When two people embrace their imperfections and commit to growing into better versions of themselves, it will naturally enhance the happiness that they share.